Ooh, he looks so cute. Hi everyone, welcome to my world of colors. So today I'm gonna color in my Minion coloring page. Ta-da! This is a picture of Dave. I hope you guys follow along with me, and you need something to do with marker, a blue paper and some graph tools. So I won't keep you any longer, so let's go to start it. Okay, so let's start on his face first. He has brown eyes. His tongue is pink and the inside of his mouth is dark red. Let's color in his glasses black and silver. And Dave has black gloves. And let's color in his skin yellow. I'm gonna make his overall blue. Lastly, let's color in his shoes black. And I finished color in Dave's coloring page. Next, let's collage and frame the picture. So I'm all finished. Wow, this picture turned out so cute. Dave just looks so happy, and he's one funny minion. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have fun in my world of colors. And if you liked this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get the newest fun video I make. I'm Harry P from World of Colors. Have a fun day and I will see you next time. Bye! Bye.